Ladies and gentlemen, iron is a mineral our bodies desperately need. It helps transport oxygen in the blood, supports energy levels, and keeps fatigue at bay. While many rely on supplements, nature offers a powerful alternative in the form of a green vegetable that's rich in plant-based iron. Including this leafy food in your diet can naturally raise your iron levels without the side effects of pills. It's especially beneficial for people who are anemic, feel tired often, or want to boost their stamina naturally. Pair it with vitamin C-rich foods like lemon or oranges, and your body will absorb the iron even more effectively. It's simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. If you're feeling weak or low on energy, it might not be more sleep you need. It might just be more of this green wonder on your plate. Would you like this part turned into a short video script, infographic text, or a YouTube caption description? Certainly. Here's the expanded version of the rich in essential vitamins point, rewritten into 7 paragraphs, without any bold, italics, or headings. This green vegetable may look simple, but it is a treasure chest of essential nutrients that play a critical role in maintaining overall health. Among its most powerful qualities is its rich concentration of vitamins, particularly A, C, and K, which the body needs daily to function at its best. Vitamin A, found in abundance in this leafy green, plays a major role in protecting your vision, especially at night. It also strengthens the immune system and keeps the skin clear and smooth. People with dry skin, dull eyes, or frequent infections may benefit from eating more of this vegetable due to its vitamin A content. Next is vitamin C, known widely as an immune-boosting nutrient. This vitamin helps the body fight off common colds and infections. It also plays a key role in the formation of collagen, which keeps the skin firm and youthful. In addition, vitamin C enhances iron absorption, making the vegetable a double benefit for those with low iron levels. Another powerful nutrient present in this plant is vitamin K. This vitamin is essential for proper blood clotting, which prevents excessive bleeding from wounds or injuries. It also helps maintain strong and healthy bones, reducing the risk of fractures, especially in older adults. Together, these vitamins form a powerful combination that not only keeps the body protected from illness, but also supports the natural healing and regeneration processes. A diet that includes this vegetable regularly can result in stronger skin, healthier internal organs, and a better immune response. It is important to note that the body cannot produce these vitamins on its own. That is why including natural sources like this leafy vegetable in daily meals becomes so important. Supplements are helpful, but they can never fully replace the balance and synergy found in whole foods. By regularly including this green in your diet, you're not just eating a vegetable. You are giving your body the tools it needs to repair, grow, and stay strong. This simple habit can contribute to long-term wellness and help prevent a wide range of common health issues. This green vegetable plays a silent but powerful role in supporting one of the most important parts of the human body, the bones. Often overlooked in everyday meals, this natural source of nutrients holds the key to building and maintaining strong skeletal structure. People of all ages can benefit from adding it to their diets, especially those who are concerned about bone density or long-term mobility. One of its standout nutrients is vitamin K, which helps in the regulation of calcium within the bones and bloodstream. Without sufficient vitamin K, calcium may not bind properly to bone tissue, weakening the structure over time. This can increase the risk of fractures, even with minor injuries. By ensuring that this vitamin is present in the body, bones remain stronger and more stable. In addition to vitamin K, this vegetable is a good plant-based source of calcium. While calcium is widely known for its role in strengthening bones and teeth, not everyone gets enough of it from dairy or supplements. Including this leafy green in meals offers a natural way to boost calcium intake without adding excess fat or sugar. Another benefit is that the nutrients in this plant are easily absorbed when paired with other whole foods. For example, combining it with a splash of healthy fat like olive oil or eating it alongside fruits high in vitamin C can improve the body's ability to utilize both calcium and vitamin K more effectively. Bone health becomes even more important with age. As people grow older, bones naturally lose density and strength, making them more prone to injuries. Regular consumption of this nutrient-rich plant can help delay or reduce this process, promoting better balance, posture, and movement in daily life. Children and teenagers also benefit from eating this vegetable, as their bodies are still growing and developing. Providing their bones with the right nutrients during these stages sets a foundation for lifelong strength and resilience. It's a simple step that can have lasting impact on their health as they age. In a world where fractures, joint issues, and bone-related diseases are common, turning to this green plant offers a natural and effective way to support the body. Instead of relying solely on pills or expensive treatments later, making this leafy vegetable a regular part of your diet can be a strong investment in your future health and mobility. This green vegetable offers more than just vitamins and minerals. One of its most powerful benefits lies in how it supports the digestive system. In a world where digestive problems are increasingly common due to poor diets and stressful lifestyles, turning to natural sources of fiber can be one of the best solutions. This particular plant is rich in fiber, making it an excellent aid for overall digestive health. Fiber plays a key role in keeping the digestive system running smoothly. It helps bulk up stool and promotes regular bowel movements, preventing common issues like constipation. For those who often feel bloated or uncomfortable after meals, including more fiber from natural vegetables can bring noticeable relief over time. It is a gentle and effective way to keep things moving inside the body without relying on artificial laxatives. This vegetable contains both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and helps form a gel-like substance in the gut, which slows digestion just enough to allow better nutrient absorption. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to the stool and speeds up the movement of waste through the digestive tract. Together, these two types of fiber create a balanced system that keeps the intestines clean and functioning properly. Eating this plant regularly can also help create a healthier gut environment. The fiber it contains acts as food for good bacteria in the digestive tract. These beneficial bacteria, also known as probiotics, play a crucial role in breaking down food, fighting harmful organisms, and even supporting the immune system. When they are well fed, they multiply and create a strong defense line inside the gut. Over time, poor digestion can affect more than just the stomach. It can lead to skin problems, fatigue, irritability, and even mood disorders. Since the gut is often referred to as the body's second brain, keeping it in balance is essential for overall wellness. Adding this leafy green to your meals is one small but effective way to support this internal system naturally. This vegetable also has a hydrating effect because of its high water content. This moisture, combined with fiber, helps soften stool and makes the digestion process smoother, especially in warm climates or for people who don't drink enough water. Foods that hydrate and support digestion at the same time can be very beneficial. Making this simple green a regular part of your meals can bring long-lasting improvements to your digestive health. It requires no complicated preparation, no expensive supplements, and no drastic lifestyle changes. Just a regular serving of this natural plant can help your body feel lighter, cleaner, and more energized from within. This green vegetable contains natural compounds that are particularly beneficial for maintaining good vision. In a world where screens dominate our daily lives, eye strain and vision issues are becoming more common. Protecting our eyes with the right nutrients has never been more important, and this humble plant offers just that through two powerful antioxidants. The key compounds found in this leafy vegetable are lutein and zeaxanthin. These are carotenoids that settle in the retina and act like a natural shield against harmful light, especially blue light emitted from digital devices. Regular intake of these compounds can help reduce the long-term damage caused by prolonged screen exposure, something most people deal with every day. As we age, the risk of developing eye-related conditions such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration increases. Lutein and zeaxanthin have been shown in studies to slow down or even prevent the progression of such diseases. Including this plant in your diet regularly can provide a layer of defense that builds over time, keeping your vision clearer and sharper for longer. Unlike synthetic supplements, the nutrients from this vegetable are absorbed more naturally by the body, especially when eaten as part of a balanced diet. It provides not just one, but a variety of vision-supporting elements, including vitamin A, which is known for maintaining night vision and preventing dryness in the eyes. Eye fatigue, blurry vision, and headaches are common signs of overworked eyes, especially in students, office workers, and older adults. Eating more of this nutrient-rich plant can reduce these symptoms naturally. It may not produce immediate results, but over weeks and months. It strengthens the eyes from within and builds resilience against daily strain. Children and teenagers who are constantly on phones or computers can also benefit greatly from these eye-protecting compounds. Starting early with eye-friendly foods creates habits that promote long-term vision health and reduce dependency on glasses or treatments later in life. Taking care of our eyes does not always require expensive treatments or medications. Sometimes, it just takes the regular presence of the right kind of food on your plate. This green vegetable may not seem extraordinary at first glance, but its ability to nourish and protect our vision makes it a smart and natural choice for anyone who values lifelong eye health.